Okay guys, this morning I am going to show you really easy and quick refrigerator pickle recipe. I am going to do a dill pickle, but this is really easy to season to however you guys like. We've had a ton of cucumbers, and as you can see, these are not pickling cucumbers, but you can use them. Works the same. The texture is going to be a little bit different, but the taste is still great. So I have cucumbers, dill, and a little bit of garlic. You can see I've already peeled the cloves. And then I have a tablespoon of sea salt, a tablespoon of sugar, 3 cups of water, and then I'm going to do 1.5 cups of vinegar, and this will all fit into two 32-ounce ball jars. So to start, take my water. We gotta do vinegar. Okay, add in my salt and sugar. So you're going to want to heat this up just long enough that the sugar and salt dissolve in here. It only takes a few minutes. Really, you don't even have to bring it to a boil. You can, but not completely necessary. Now, after that's dissolved, you want to wait until it's completely cooled, which I have a mixture over here. So then I'm going to take one of my jars and I'm going to start putting in pieces of my cucumber that I cut up. Just cut them to whatever size you like pickles. We don't mind big pickles. Also, you can see, obviously, I didn't scoop the seeds out of these. It's not necessary. You can, but we don't mind the flavor of seeds, so we leave them. Then mix in some garlic, some of your dill, and just get it as full as you can. I use about 2 things of dill like that size per jar, and probably about half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of garlic. Just kind of depends on how I'm feeling. You can add more garlic. You could put jalapenos in here. You could do peppercorns or red pepper flakes. There are a million ways to season these. I like to fill the jar as much as possible with pickles. Well, cucumbers that are going to be pickles. You know what I mean. Put a little more seasoning towards the top. And then we pour in our brine that is cooled, hopefully without making too much of a mess. And I go all the way to the top. If this is still a little warm, which this one isn't, we would let it sit, but we are good to go. Put the lid on, put it in a jar for about a week, and then they are ready to eat. Over here I have some, as you can see, these have been in there for a week. They're good. Got a nice pickle texture. They are a little bit crunchy, even though they're not pickling cucumbers. They taste great. The kids love them. And I'm definitely going to be playing around with more seasonings and mixing up the flavors a little bit. But there you go. Super easy, and fast refrigerator pickles.